Hey guys, how are you all? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I paint a canvas bag. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon to never miss a video. Take a canvas bag, wash it and allow it to dry. Then iron the bag, remove all the wrinkles and add a cardboard or a thin magazine inside the bag so that when we paint the color doesn't reach to the other side of the bag. Here I'm using a DIY stamp made of foam sheet and I will be using Fabrica acrylic color. You don't need to use any fabric medium cause it is already included in the color. Here I'm using a lipstick shape. You can even do another shapes which you like. If you see any space remaining, paint it with a brush. Let it dry for at least 2 days. Then iron the bag from opposite.